back to my channel. So today's video I decided to show you guys how I process some wholesale orders. I got a few wholesale orders that came in this week. I had about 6 wholesale orders, so I'm going to show you guys how I fulfilled 2 of them in this video. So pretty much I'm going to show you guys start to finish on how I process wholesale orders. So I'll show you guys how I make the gloss, what type of jars or gloss bags that I use to fill the gloss in, and then I'll show you guys how I package and ship. So if you guys are interested to see how I process wholesale orders from start to finish, then definitely keep watching this video. Okay, so with my first step, I usually put out everything that I'm going to be using to make the gloss. So as you guys can see, I have my scale, I have my mixing bowl. Since this is going to be a wholesale order, I'm going to be mixing up a lot of lip gloss, so that's why I'm using this really big bowl here. As you guys can see, I have my Versagel or lip gloss base. I only use TKB. I do have some spoons that I'm going to be using. I have some disinfectant, which is alcohol. I always try to wipe up everything just to kind of keep everything sanitized. I have my oils here, my preservatives, and then over here I do have my different colorants, micas, shimmers that I'm going to be using to make the gloss, and then I have my flavoring oils, and then I got some butterflies that I'm going to be using to put in some of the glosses. And then of course I have a paper towel. You're definitely going to need paper towel because making lip gloss can be very messy. And then of course I have my gloves, my mask that I'm going to be using, and we're just going to go ahead and get started. So I'm not going to be doing too much talking in this video because pretty much it's kind of like the same process with making gloss. So it's better that I'll show you, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I fill up the gloss in my jars and in my gloss bags.
5, 4, 6, yeah. Hey, babe, you should know that ain't no other girl out here got my heart. Baby, don't ask, you ain't gonna ask me, no. Cause I ain't afraid to say, I love you. Yeah, I ain't afraid to tell the world I love you. I ain't afraid to tell my boys I love you. Girl, you make it so easy. Make it so easy to love you, baby, and I just wanna make it last forever. So make it last someday, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going.
Okay, so I am done with the first gloss, and as you guys saw, this gloss is the strawberry shortcake. It has like a lot of different red pigment, shimmer. As you guys can, it has like a pink shimmer, so it's kind of like a color shifting gloss. So this is the first batch, and this is supposed to be going into a 6-ounce gloss bag, and I'll show you guys what I'll be using to fill up the bag. So this is how my 6-ounce bag looks. So this is the bag. This is the top that goes with it. I use a 60 ml syringe, and then I also use a pipette, and I have some tape and some scissors to attach the pipette to the syringe. So I'll show you guys that, and then I'll show you how I fill up the gloss bag.
Forever all day, like, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Oh, baby, I need you. Girl, you're my angel. I know you probably had enough of me, yeah, I know, but I just can't get enough of you. Cause you're so perfect, girl. I'm your student, I'm still learning, girl. You already won the race, and they still running, girl. I want this for the rest of our lives. So make it last someday, yeah. Cause girl, you make me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like, yeah. Forever all day, like, yeah. Forever all day, like, yeah. Forever all day, like, oh. Love is the music that keeps us dancing. Love is the music that keeps us dancing. Love is the music that keeps us dancing. Keeps us dancing. Come and sing it like, ooh. Love keeps us dancing. Let me sing it like, ooh. Yeah. So make it last someday, yeah. Cause girl, you make me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like, yeah. Forever all day, like, yeah. Forever all day, like, forever all day, yeah. Forever all day, forever all day, yeah. Forever all day, forever all day, forever all day, forever all day, yeah. Let's dance forever, baby. Let me see dance forever like this. Let me see dance forever like this. Let me see dance forever like this, forever like this, forever like this. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah. The sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. No. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low. Bounce around, 2 different jobs. Oh. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down in your bed at night. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. No one should judge. No one should. Girl, I gotta tell you the best. From time, I just had to get that off my chest. Hope you don't mind, no. I mean, who am I to judge you? Take your time, girl. I mean, who am I to rush you? Baby, fall in love with you. Oh, ooh. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Tell them that no one can judge you. Oh, no.
So I'm pretty much on the last part of the wholesale order. As you guys saw earlier in the video, I was filling up gloss bags as well as gloss jars for the wholesale order. And so the last thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is do some lip scrubs. As you guys can see, these are my strawberry banana lip scrubs. They are edible. Half is strawberry flavor and the other half is banana flavor. So as you guys can see, these are some ombre lip scrubs that I created. In the order, they asked for 18. So right now I have 15 already made. So I'm going to go ahead and make a few more, and then I'll be done with the wholesale order, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I package and ship up my wholesale orders.
Oh na na na, 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 yeah. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah, the sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. I don't know. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low, bounce around, 2 different jobs. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down in your bed at night. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. No one should judge. No one should. Girl, I gotta tell you, you the best from time. I just had to get that off my chest. Hope you don't mind. I mean, who am I to judge you? Take your time, girl. I mean, who am I to rush you? Baby, fall in love with you. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Fine for 6 years. Hey, babe, you should know that ain't no other girl out here got my heart. Baby, don't ask, you ain't gotta ask me, no. Cause I ain't afraid to say I love you. Yeah, I ain't afraid to tell the world I love you. I ain't afraid to tell my boys I love you. Girl, you make it so easy. Make it so easy to love you, baby. And I just wanna make it last forever. So make it last all day, yeah. Cause girl, you make me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like.
So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I pretty much showed you guys my start to finish process on when I have wholesale orders. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. The last thing that I'm pretty much going to do is just create my shipping label. I do use Shopify to process my shipping labels, and I print them out on my printer, and then I attach it to the boxes, and drop them off at the post office afterwards. So if you guys are interested in wholesale, definitely check out my website. I do also sell my lip gloss individually. So if you guys are interested in that, you can definitely check it out on my site. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. And then you guys make sure you go ahead and check me out at over on Instagram. If you can, give me a follow on my Instagram page. And once again, you guys, I will see you in the next video.